I am so tired of commercialism, bringing everything that's a trap from this world into focus. But we can't remember the savior of the world. No one is pointing to him except a few. Jesus, forgive us now. Jesus, show us how. Jesus, we bow down to you. How important is he to you? He's everything to me. Look in my life, I focus on the cross and am kept pure, and I'm loving him with all my heart. Jesus, forgive us now. Jesus, show us how. Jesus, we bow down to you. Bringing truth to the world through the love of the Savior. To focus on him takes quite some talent, because of all the traps and distractions of this world. Trust me, you'll have trouble for a while. Jesus, Jesus, oh Jesus, oh yeah. Jesus, forgive us now. Jesus, show us how. Jesus, we bow down to you.